Hi guys, hope you are doing well. In today's video, we will learn some more important Java program that is like which reads a source element and replace it with replacing element in an array. So this is the simple program like without using any predefined methods. So we'll see the program line by line, and this is the code. Let's go through the code line by line to understand what each part does. So here import java.util.scanner here, and this line import the scanner class from the java.util package. So the scanner class is used to read input from the user. Public class simple search element in array. So here I declare like class name as simple search element in an array because this is the easiest method. That's why I mentioned here simple search element in array. So here this line declares the beginning of the class. So in Java the code is organized into classes. We all know about that. So and the class name must match with the file name. So that is simple search element in Java in array.java like that. So here public static void main of string array asks. This is the main method which is the entry point of any Java application. So the program execution starts here. Scanner equal to new scanner of system dot in. So this line creates a scanner object called scanner that reads input from the standard input stream that is system dot in. So which is usually the keyboard. This keyboard like this object will allow us to take user input. So here we create a small array example. So this line creates an array of integer of int array and initialize it with the values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 like that. So this is the array in which we will replace an element, and here this is the original array for printing purpose here using system.out.println of original array. So first the program prints the message like original array here to the console. So here the for loop here, this is the first loop, and the for loop then iterates to each element of the array using loop variable I here, and which ranges from 0 to array dot length minus 1. So it prints each element followed by a space of array of I here, and after loop finishes system dot out dot println here, because it adds a line break after printing all the array elements, right? So that's why here we are using that. Here get input from the user, and the program asks the user to enter the element they want to replace by printing a message like enter element to replace, right? That's why we are using here system.out.println enter the element to replace. So int source element equal to scanner.nextInt of those. The scanner.nextInt of method waits for the user to input an integer and assign the input value to the variable like source element here. This is the name like source element, and same like here also system.out.print of enter new element. So this program then takes the user to enter the new element with the message like enter the new element here, and again scanner.nextInt of here we are using because it's read the user input and stores it in the variable replace element, right? That's why we are using. And here replace the source element with the new element. This is the next step. Here also we are using one for loop. This is the main for loop, like this is the main logic, I think. So the for loop iterates through each element of the array that we have mentioned previous. And here inside the loop, the if statement check if the current element that is array of I is equal to the source element provided by the user. So if the element matches the source element, the value at the position in the array of I is replaced with replacing element. So that this is the logic for that. So here printing the updated array for printing like user understandable purpose. Here also I'm using one for loop. So here after replacing the element, the program prints the message like updated array, and a for loop is used to print all the elements of the updated array one by one, just like it did when the printing the original array. So the elements are separated by spaces, and here this is the scanner or close off. So this line closes the scanner object, so which is a good practice to release the resources associated with it once we are using it. So this helps prevent resource leaks, and yeah, like that. So I will give a small brief explanation for this. So here we are taken like int array equal to some random values, the original array that is printed here, and the program asks the element to replace and the new element. So if the user input is like, for example, if we enter the user input is 5 and 10, the program searches for 5 here and in the array and replaces with 10. Replace 5 with 10, right? So then we print the updated array. These are the simple steps for this. And yeah, now we will save the program and we'll see what the output is. So like the original array is like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, right? So enter the element to replace here. So if we enter replace 5 with enter new element, if we enter 10, so like that. So the updated array is 1 2 3 4 10 6 7 8 9, like that. So yeah, I hope you like this, and if you have any doubts, let me know in the comment section. Please share, like, subscribe. Thank you.